Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a look at some cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right. Now these cases are made by SUPCASE. This is the UB style. And we got a few of them there. Let's go ahead and take a look at them and see how they look on the device. All right. Now, as you can see, we got a few cases here, different colors. They're made for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You got your charging port right here, your speaker openings. Got a lanyard open right there, your volume up and down rocker, your mute button right there, your power button right there, and your camera opening right there is finished. And you can see there's flat sides that is pretty squared off on the device right here. Okay. Now all these cases are the same, just different colors, and you also have a clear one. Now I'm going to put the phone inside, and we'll take a look at how they look on the device, all of them. Okay. Okay, we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and put this inside. All right. Okay, so nice fit. And this is a model phone, by the way. It's not a real phone, so it won't be able to test wireless charge. But however, these cases work well with wireless charge. I've used them before. There's no problem there. Now, as you can see, the camera is covered right there. You got a finished area right there, so let's raise a little bit. The front lip is minimal, but you do have some there, so you have some protection. I wouldn't slam this down, but you probably can set it down gently and not have the screen get touch the surface, depending on what you're using it with. Power button's right there. You see the mute button lines up right there, and everything lines up on the bottom. Okay. Got a little insert right here with the SUPCASE branding. You can see that. And it's a two-tone kind of look on the back. So you got the green and you got a lighter green right here. So that's pretty neat. You can see through the back here, see the logo on the device. All right. Now, I'll go ahead and put the rest of them on so you can see how they look on the device, okay? Here's the red. Looks the same, but it looks good. Got a little two-tone look there, SUPCASE branding. That looks pretty good. Okay, here's the purple. You got a little two-tone look there. You got a light lavender look right there, purple on the sides. Looks good. If you like this color, this is going to be, you'll be able to get this in this color right here. All right. This is the lavender case for the UB style. Okay, here's the black one right here. This is my favorite color right here. You got a two-tone. Got the gray up top and your black on the sides. SUPCASE branding right there. Looks the same as the others. Everything lines up nicely. Okay. Okay, so this is the clear one for those who want to make sure you can see the entire device and nothing's covered up there. You can see the whole device with this one on. Okay, so clear case right here. Got the clear insert right there. It's actually gray inside right there, so that's a nice touch. But fits pretty well, and I think it'll be a good case for you. Good protection. All right, and it fits good in the hand. All right, it's a clear case. Okay, that was a quick look at some UB style cases from SUPCASE. They're for the iPhone 12 Pro Max 6.7 inch. All right, just different colors there. I wanted to kind of show you that to you real quick. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.